Waza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly wenganza kwethu kunale argument egcwele la okuthiwa khona angazi uDuduzani Zuma MKDP kwasha kwacima wengaza kwencema untshela nje mina angikhathalele sibongo mina nje angikhathalele sibongo bengibatshela nabanye ukuthi uma ngabe kwenzeka into enjengaleyo ngisho ngathiwa uba uTG ngisho ukuthiwa uSG mina uma ngabe ezoba loyal to the party and loyal to uPresident Jacob Zuma, I don't see anything wrong. The only problem is when a person is sent to that position and then they tend to be loyal to themselves, their friends, and outside forces. That's when I have a problem. We've had so many useless leaders in the MK party who are not loyal to the party, to President Jacob Zuma, to us, the members of the party. They are loyal to themselves, their friends, and outsiders. And then you want to come and tell us about uDuduzani Zuma, ongakabi lutho. You want to come and dispute ukuthi kuzothiwa istokfela. They've been saying that ukuthi ilokhuzana leni family business. They've been saying that from inception. It's not a new thing. So manje yini leni phatha kabi nina lapho? Hey guys, niyathanda ukustressa ngoba ngiyabona nasema group in there even debating that thing. There is no need to debate that thing. If ukuthi kuba uDuduzani Zuma, UDP or SG or TG or whatever the case may be, as long as ufike lapha enze lento elindeleke ukuthi yenziwe umuntu okuleyo position for MK party, we will support that person 100%. Because like ngitsheleni guys, ngitsheleni uma ngabe kuzothiwa uzoba uDP yena, where is uDP right now? So guys, come on. Ene mina yabona nje ngiyafisa ngathi bangabizwa bonke abantu lapha ku MK party abahlukumezeka ngesikhathi kuhlukunyezwa ubaba uZuma, abahlukumezeka kanye naye kwathiwa aba corrupt, kwashiwo zonke izinto bavulelwa ama cases, bonke abezela ku MK party sizobondla. Ngithi abanye la kuma comment basho njalo bathi nina niyalamba osibanibani batholana osibanibani, sifuna khona vele ukuthi bathole. Angithi ulokhuzana ubaba wenkomo wa decide ukuthi ufuna ukuthi bona baphume balambe ngoba during 9 wasted years they made sure ukuthi Eskom kuyasetshenzwa. In fact, SOEs were running and they made sure ukuthi futhi SOEs were profitable. So they were against that because some of these companies that are white owned, they felt ukuthi they were disadvantaged by these people who were running the SOEs at the time, because they were now bringing in some other role players in those SOEs, which threatened ama business wabo, which are white owned businesses. You don't have businesses. I don't even know why you even want to argue, because you don't have businesses. We are not even employed in those businesses. So you want to come and argue nonsense. These people, we advocate for them. Bono, Brian Mulifi, or Gama, or Montana. Even the leadership of the ANC, just like Obabu Esmakashule, even though he decided to go and act. I don't know whether good generations or Isbaya that he's acting on. But he was supposed to come and join MK party, because all the people that were sidelined by the Cyril Ramaphosa regime were supposed to come this side. Sizobenzela iqiniso thina ngapha, but ke Bobabo Esmahashule, they decided otherwise, and they will disintegrate and disappear just like that. But those who come to the MK party will be relevant even tomorrow, even next week, even next month, even next year, even in the next 5 years. It's as simple as that. If Duduzane comes and he serves us well, so ukuthi uZuma kusixaka ngani? Because into esifunayo is for one to come and serve the party well. It doesn't matter ukuthi kuke kwathi corrupt before or kusazothi corrupt, as long as that was not proven and there is nothing that they can bring against that person, and that person comes, because now Duduzane kudala bemhlukumeza ngoba kuthiwa uZuma. So mase kunento enhle okumele azoyenza, kumele simvimbe thina. Ngiyamkhumbula eboshwa ngithi uDuduzane, ora nisakhumbula eboshwa uDuduzane eboshelwa amacala angekho njengoba namanje kungazange kwenzeke lutho. Hayi, come on guys, hayi ningasukufuna ukusikhulumisa nje lento. Uma uyi-MK party nje bayeke laba vele behlezi besho bethi istokfela sakaZuma lokhuzani family business bazobe bengaqali. Let them say so. All right guys, ngisakhuluma. Ngiyabonga.